Okay, so this little guy's eyes very much infected by URI, and this is what I do. I'm trying to help him, and because I don't so I'm going to swipe his eyes. It's early in the morning, so he's I like to keep a mirror so I can see what I'm doing. Up. No need to choke him with too much water. But I've been to the vet and I've got medicine for him. I just gave him a dose of this. It's called Novomoxin, and he gets a ml of that twice a day. They all do, because they're all sick. And now I have to wash my own hands because I have 5 kittens, and I have to swipe them with tetracyclin at least twice a day. More often for this guy here. And you got to quickly put the cover on because it keeps coming out. So this is how you do that. You just swipe very gently. Swipe it. I know, honey. I know. So swipe, swipe. Now, well, we'll do the other eye just in case, but you gotta wash your hand for each eye. I don't want to bring one infection from the eye to the other eye. We're trying to save his eye. We're not sure if we're gonna be able to do that. So, well, we're doing our best. Don't have to put as much in that eyeball. Come on. As you can see, he's pretty active. He's not as sick as the other one. And swipe the other eye. Okay. See, boo? Huh? Hey, boo? Yep. And always have clean cotton batting. I go through a lot of cotton batting. And the tiny ones, because they're so small. This guy weighs 14 ounces. And smile for the camera. Say hi. Say bye. Now I'm going to give him back to his mommy.